guys, welcome back to my channel. So by the title, I am going to be doing a Beyonce inspired wig. This is a wig by Freetrust Equal. It has 5-inch lace parting. It's in the style of Valentino and the color is FF Hot Choco. So this is the care paper that comes with the wig, tells you how to care for the wig, how to curl the wig, and some more information about the wig. This is the wig. Is in this super cute chocolatey color with some blonde highlights in the front, and it has dark roots as well. This is the 5-inch parting. It goes pretty far back, so it looks very realistic. Unfortunately, it doesn't have any lace around the front perimeter for you to glue down the lace, but it does have 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, as well as some adjustable straps, so you'll be pretty good with it being snug on your head. So this is what the wig looks like straight out of the pack. Right off bat, the parting is not very noticeable as I would like it to be. It has a little bit extra hairs in the front, and the parting is a little dark, but overall the hair feels really soft. I can run my fingers through it really smoothly, and it's not giving me any tangles. So I'm gonna go ahead and pluck out the extra hairs that's in the front just to make the parting a little bit more prominent all the way throughout. As like I said, there's hair in the front that doesn't really make the parting look a little bit natural. So I'm going to pluck out some hair to make it look more natural. Then I'm going to take some shadow and I'm going to put that onto the parting again, just to make it look more natural, make it pop a little bit more because it is looking a little bit dark. And then for my last step, I'm just going to part my own hair and just create a little bit of a parting and put the wig a little bit behind my hairline. Not too much behind my hairline, but a little bit so it just blends seamlessly. And that's pretty much it of how I style and wear this wig. Like I said, the wig is super simple and super cute. It's soft. It already comes already curled and styled, so you really don't have much to do. If you like this wig video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I'll put all the links down below that you would need. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.